Hello my YouTube friends, this is Noah again with Save Green here, and today we're going to talk about saving green when it comes to your cellular. And I've talked a lot about Mint Mobile in the past. It used to be Mint Sim, but how would this affect you if you probably heard in the news Sprint and T-Mobile are about to merge? So it hasn't officially happened, but if it did happen, how would this affect you if you're a Mint Mobile customer, especially if you have dedicated 3, 6, or 12 months of service? Well, I'll put it this way. If nothing happens with a merger, you're okay. You got T-Mobile signal anyway. But since Mint Mobile is using T-Mobile's service or their towers, how would this affect you? Well, not sure 100%, but if it were to happen, T-Mobile would keep their name. So they're still going to be like the bigger of the two, which they are right now anyway. But all this means to you is nothing but better things, because there are towers that are out there right now all over America owned by Sprint, which will now become T-Mobile's towers as well. So if you have T-Mobile service in an area and you're moving to another area or driving around or whatever, and T-Mobile's not so great there, but there is a Sprint tower, that's actually a good thing. That means you're going to have better service throughout the country, or the coverage area, the new coverage area, so to speak. So if you are a Sprint customer, and same thing would occur the other way around, and you have great service where you live, but where you work you don't, but T-Mobile does have great service there, now you will have great service in both places. That's nothing but good things if you're a Mint Mobile customer, or if you're contemplating on being a Mint Mobile customer, because if you go on with Mint Mobile and this merger were to happen, that means a lot more coverage for you and for me. I've been a Mint Mobile customer for going on 6 months now, and I'm going to continue to renew. This time I'm going to go with 12 months, 5 gigabytes of data. But if this we're rooting for the merger to occur, because this is nothing but good things for Mint Mobile customers. You will now have service in a lot better situations, whether you're at home or work or traveling, on vacation, whatever. You're going to have better service because now you're combining the towers or the infrastructure of T-Mobile and the infrastructure of Sprint together into one entire network, which will be owned by T-Mobile. Therefore, since Mint uses T-Mobile's towers, you're going to have better service throughout. So again, just wanted to bring that out because we have been getting a few messages on our YouTube channel about this merger and what do we think about it. Well, this is your answer. It's nothing but good things for you. And I'm just browsing through their site on my phone here, showing you that you can choose your plan: 2 gigs, 5 gigs, or 10 gigs, 4G LTE per month. Another thing too is T-Mobile is planning to deploy their 5G service either late 2018 or early 2019, and that's going to be nothing but good things. We'll have to wait and see how it will affect Mint Mobile, but we're hoping that it'll also transfer over to the Mint Mobile service. But it's very easy on their website on your phone, which is a little bit different than like your desktop website. You have, I mean, these things really walk you through it as far as getting set up, porting your number, activating your device with a new number if you want to go that route, inserting your SIM, configuring your data settings, and on your iPhone or an Android phone. So it's very easy, very clear, cut and dry. Hopefully this was a little bit informational to you. If it was, please give me a little thumbs up down there at the bottom. And also, please subscribe to our channel. We will continue posting videos on how to save green. That's what our channel's about. But also on the mobile, on the cellular area as well, we try to promote videos that will save you money. We'll try to do reviews here and there on small electronics and so forth. So please do subscribe to our channel and help us in this cause. Thank you again for watching. This is Noah with Save Green here. Have a nice day.